Welcome back to this video. My name is Rakivi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to teach you on how to simply search by image in Chrome. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come to this particular URL right here, google.com. Then it will take you to this page. Now, for you to search by image on Google, what you need to do is simply come to the sidebar right here, click on this camera icon, search by image. So click on that, then you will be asked to drag and drop an image or click on upload a file right here. Or better still, you can paste image link right here. Then what I'm going to do in this tutorial, I will first thing for make sure I click on upload a file. So I'm going to click on upload a file. Then from my PC right here, I will simply look for a picture and upload it in Google. So let's, for instance, I'm going to simply take a look at this, my personal picture right here. Then I'll click on open. Then it's going to give me exactly where the image is being used on internet. Now, as you can see right here, this image has been used in two places. The first one here is on Facebook, which is my Facebook account, and also it has been used on my YouTube channel as my profile picture. Alternatively, we can simply go back to search right here, and we come back to search by image again. Now, this time around, we can simply use an image link, or we can simply drag. So this time around, we can simply drag and drop an image. So I will head over to my folder right here. So I will simply look for another image. So let's, for instance, I'm going to upload this particular logo right here. And then what I'm going to do is to simply drag and drop the duck logo. So where is the logo again? So duck logo. So I have duck logo right here. I will simply drag and drop it here and allow it to load up into Google. And in a few seconds, you see similar result. Now you have duck logo across all the web, from YouTube, from another website right here. Now you can narrow your research based on the image search. Right here, we want to come to the top right here under the product. So you can click on the product, then it will take you to where you can make a purchase based on this particular image. As you can see right here, it has been listed on this particular website at 15 USD. Then also visual matches. So when you go to visual matches, this is where you see something similar compared to what you upload. So these are visual matches. Then exact match, the exact what you upload is what you find right here. Take a look at them right here. Everything so much similar. Then about this image, you can simply read about the image. So right here, similar images are at least 10 years old, found on these pages. So it will take you to all the websites that are associated to where the image has been used. So like you can see right here, DuckDuckGo, this is the official website of the logo, then their Wikipedia account, front page advice, their LinkedIn page, then other websites that have been using this logo so far. You can click on more pages right here, and then the more you click on more pages, the more it's going to load up. Depends on how they use the image. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply search by image in Google. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.